these are the rain rooms. There's a hot tub there, or sauna, and sauna, and then the rain rooms.
Should I turn one on?
Yeah.
That's the Caribbean Storm. It changes the depth and the smell and the colors. And if you're in it, you can hear birds